How to fix the issue of not being able to link your credit or debit card to your PayPal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide and explain you why and how you can fix the issue of not being able to link your credit or debit card to your PayPal account. Well, first things first is the billing address. The billing address that you have entered when linking a card to your PayPal account might be different than the one on your card statement. As a security measure, you will need to enter your billing address exactly as it appears on your card statement. So what to do? You want to check your card statement to ensure both addresses match. If you are sure you have entered the information correctly, contact the card issuer. Sometimes the information may take longer to be updated after a recent move. The second is authorization charge declined. When you link a new card to your PayPal account, PayPal sends a $1 USD or currency equivalent authorization charge to your card issuer to ensure the card is active. And it might be that your card issuer declined this charge. What to do? You want to contact your charge issuer to find out why the authorization from PayPal was rejected. After they correct the problem, you may try to add your card again. The other is limit of cards in account reached. If you have added the maximum number of cards allowed on a single PayPal account, then you might not be able to add any more additional cards. In that case, you want to remove at least one card from your account. Now, you can link 4 cards to your unverified PayPal account. When your account is verified, you can link up to 24 cards. Now, card linked to another PayPal account might be the issue as well. Now remember that a card can only be linked to one PayPal account at a time. In that case, if your account is linked to your card is linked to another account, then you might not be able to link it again. What to do? You'll be able to add your card to another PayPal account once you have removed it from the account it's currently linked to. If your card is linked to an older PayPal account you no longer use, consider closing your newer account and using the older one, or heading over to the older one and removing the card and then trying to add it to the new one. Try to add it to the newer one. So hope this helped you. The other is the wrong CSC code. You linked your card to your PayPal account but entered the card security code incorrectly 3 times. If you enter in the card security code incorrectly 3 times, then you won't be able to add it. In that case, you'll have to contact PayPal. You can head into your browser and search in for PayPal contact and contact them and provide you additional information and check for the issue and fix it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.